Teas are the natural way to support good digestive health. There are many wonderful teas to promote healthy digestion and improve gut health. Today we will share such 3 best teas that will treat your digestive issues in a tasty way, without any side effects. You can find all these healthy teas in the description below. So let's start. The 5 best teas for digestion. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is well known for its refreshing flavor and ability to soothe an upset stomach. Studies have shown that menthol, a compound in peppermint, improves digestive issues and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Drinking peppermint tea twice per day can improve IBS symptoms by 75% in just 4 weeks. Gentian root tea. Gentian root has been used to stimulate appetite and treat stomach ailments for centuries. The effects of gentian root are attributed to its bitter compounds, known as iridoids. Drinking gentian root tea increases blood flow to the digestive system, which helps to improve digestion and increases the production of digestive enzymes. To make gentian root tea, steep a half teaspoon of dried gentian root in 1 cup of boiled water for 5 minutes. Then strain. Drink it before meals. Marshmallow root tea. Polysaccharides from marshmallow root, such as mucilage, can help stimulate the production of mucus-producing cells that line your digestive tract. Marshmallow root has antioxidant properties that help decrease inflammation and protect against stomach ulcers. Drink any of these healthy teas twice a day. Get a healthy gut and say goodbye to the uncomfortable situation from today.